Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can search for products in the LEROY MERLIN app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the app. Then go to the top left corner on these three lines, that's the menu icon. If you tap on it, then you can choose the first option, the products, and here you can see the categories, for example, kitchen, decoration, lights, for cleaning. For example, let's choose decoration. Here you can choose decoration for window, for the wall. And here you just choosing that type of product, what you would like to search for. I chosen watches. And here you can see my search. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.